Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook red kidney beans. First, sort through 1 pound of dried red kidney beans, removing any small stones or debris, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Next, you'll need to soak them. Place the rinsed beans in a large bowl and cover them with 10 cups of cold water, letting them soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. This step is crucial for even cooking and reducing overall cooking time. Once your beans are properly soaked, drain and rinse them again. Transfer the beans to a large pot and add fresh water, ensuring it covers the beans by about 2 inches. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let them cook for 60 to 90 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember, hold off on adding salt until the very end to prevent the beans from becoming tough. For a quicker cooking option, a pressure cooker is an excellent choice. After draining and rinsing your soaked beans, place them into your pressure cooker with about 6 cups of fresh water. Cook them on high pressure for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cooking time is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes before carefully performing a quick release for any remaining pressure. This method significantly cuts down on cooking time. To enhance the flavor of your red kidney beans, consider adding aromatics like bay leaves, garlic cloves, or chopped onions during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Once the beans are tender, season them generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite spices. Cooked red kidney beans can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze them in convenient portions for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.